Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can unsubscribe Netflix plan. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, just log in with your account in your Netflix app, or you can use your Netflix website. Once you do that, just choose a profile that you used to visit the Netflix with. And once you do it, you'll be in this particular platform. So from here, where you need to go is you need to go all the way to your top right corner. You'll find this profile icon and then go to account from here. Then what you need to do is you will be having this change plan option. Just go over here. And then what you need to do is just go back once and then go to manage membership, and then go all the way down. You can have this cancel membership option. Once you click on it, you can unsubscribe your Netflix plan from that. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.